What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a blindfolded shopping challenge. It sounds exactly like the name of the challenge. I'm going to be blindfolded and I'm just going to be scrolling through my phone, and whatever I tap on is what I have to buy. So for today, I'm going to be shopping on Zivame because they have their SOS sale going on right now. So the end of season sale begins from the 14th of July and there's an up to 60% off. They have free shipping, they have cash on delivery available, a very easy 15-day exchange and return policy, and on top of all of this, if you use my code MridulZivame, you will get an extra 10% off. So the main reason why I wanted to do a blindfold challenge for today's video is because I shop from Zivame quite a lot and I tend to stick to like my basics and my favorites. So I wanted to kind of be pushed out of my comfort zone, hence this challenge. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, I have my blindfold on. I'm just gonna ask Aditya to help me open up the category and then we can start scrolling. Okay, I'm gonna start. This is so exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time. Stop. Was I able to tap on something?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is very interesting. I never go for anything that is like above my knees. I'll either go for shorts or full pants. So this is interesting. I'm just gonna add it to my cart really quickly. Okay, मेरे size में भी है, so perfect. So I have the first item here with me, and guess what? I'm actually wearing it. It's so comfy. It is still a little bit different for me to kind of adjust to this different length, but I'm liking it. It's a really nice change and it's very comfortable. That's the most important thing. The print is also really, really cute with a solid colored tee. I think it's a great pick. ठीक है, मैंने क्या किया है? I've put the filter on with my size. So I've put small, medium because PJs में दोनों ही मुझे चल जाते हैं. So for sure इस बार whatever I pick, I'll get my size in it. Okay, let's go. I hope I'm able to get some pants. I want like full pants. Was I able to pick something? I tapped on something.
No.
Okay, tap.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we got some shorts. I don't mind some shorts as long as it's not that mid-length wala pant. I'm okay with it. This is a really fun color. I usually don't go for such colors, so that's good. I'm just gonna add it in a small and continue. Here's the next set. It's so colorful, and the most important thing is that I really appreciate the fabric that they use. It's so soft. Not only is it cute looking, it's very comfortable, and obviously that's the priority. So we have this really cool green color ka set, and the print is also very fun and very cute. It's a very different shade of green, so I'm loving it. Okay, fingers crossed for a full pant, full sleeves PJ set. Let's go. So scrolling random ऊपर नीचे देख कुछ हुआ tap. Yes, finally. Okay, we've gotten a lot of pink things. I feel like let me just add this to my cart. Okay, this is actually really cute. It's an owl print. This is really cute. Okay, I'm really happy so far. I'm gonna be honest, this is my favorite set. Actually, it's my favorite piece out of this entire shopping haul. I love it. I obviously love the fabric. I love the print. I'm obsessed with pink, like the color pink. You guys know that. And I just love the way this fits me overall. It looks very nice. Also, I took the liberty of buying one set just on its own. जब मैंने ये buy किया ना, ये मुझे नीचे recommendations में दिख गया, so I just added it to my cart. Obviously, it's not a part of this like shopping challenge, blindfold shopping challenge, but it's so cute. It's a very beautiful blue, light blue, and it has pink like cats all over it. Very fun. It's a full sleeve again, so it's perfect for winters. And abhi Mumbai mein barish hone lag gayi hai, so it's a little bit chilly, so I can wear this even now. So far we've added 3 things and all 3 of them are quite different. So that's good. I think I'm gonna do 2 more PJs because I can never have too many, as I said. So let's keep going. I've probably ruined my makeup and my hair. I should have kept my hair down for this challenge, but obviously I wasn't thinking straight. Okay, I'm ready. मैं लंबा scroll करने वाली हूँ इस बार. Stop. हुआ? अब हुआ? अब हुआ?
अभी हुआ.
Okay. I can work with this. The combination's really cute. We have peach and baby blue. This is really cute. What's the print? It's a cat print. Okay, pretty cute. I'm gonna add this to my cart. Next we have this peach and blue set. Iske sleeves, t-shirt ke sleeves are half sleeves, so it's perfect. You can wear it all year round. You're not gonna sweat through it. And I just love the combo. As I mentioned in the earlier clip as well, peach and blue is such a fresh change. I really like it. Okay, last one. I'll do one long scroll and then stop. Oh, so cute. Okay, great. I have something that I like, very in my comfort zone, a PJ set with like collar. And ये क्या print है? I can't figure out the print, but it's cute. I really like the pastel yellow color, very, very trendy. My second favorite, so cute. It's like a pastel yellow with the blue color का print all over it. ये भी full sleeves है and ये full pants है again. पॉकेट्स है. बाय द वे अभी तक मैंने जितने भी दिखाए ना पीजे, सारों में पॉकेट्स है, सो वेरी वेरी कन्वीनियंट. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी इज एक्टिव वेयर. आई रियली enjoy buying active wear because I feel like it motivates me to work out. These days my workout game has been not the strongest, not the weakest. It's somewhere in the middle. So let's hope buying this active wear is going to motivate me. I think I'm going to start with some sports bras because I really need some sports bras. Okay, I'm just going to do one long push and then pause. हो रहा है? हुआ? So this is a neutral, but I don't mind it because of the color blocking, the white and blue situation. I really like. मेरे साइज में भी अवेलेबल है, so perfect. Love the color pattern, the blue and the white. Very neutral, so you can like pair it with a lot of things. This clasps in the front, so it has a zip which you need to zip and unzip instead of पीछे का clasp, which again I love and I appreciate. So for leggings, I personally don't mind any color, but I do want full pants, like full leggings. I don't want shorts. I don't want capris. I want full pants. That's my only requirement. So I hope I'm able to get that. So let's just continue scrolling. I think I'm going to do like a long scroll. लंबा करूँ क्या इसके लिए scroll? खत्म नहीं हो गया है ना? Was I able to tap on something? Okay, wait, hold on. This is so cute. Okay. It's a really unique, like a periwinkle blue pastel sort of a color. I'm going to add it in my size. I'm very happy about this. This is one thing that I'm very excited about. Does it have a sports bra? The model is wearing a sports bra. So if I'm able to find the sports bra, matching sports bra, I think I'm going to buy that as well. Obviously, that won't be a part of this challenge, but I just want it for myself. I think ये मेरा favorite है from the active wear का section. It's a pastel blue with like a hint of periwinkle and a hint of grey. It's a little bit of everything. It's such a beautiful and unique color. I love it. I got the size medium in this because my size small wasn't available and I did not want to give up on this piece, and it actually fits me pretty well. It's very like comfortable. It's not as tight. I do personally like my leggings to be tight. Obviously they have a size chart on their website, so you can definitely check out what size works well for you, but small and medium both actually works for me. I took another liberty and I picked up one more piece. I allowed myself to buy two things. I think two is fine. So I got this lavender pair of leggings and it has this really cool band at the waist which kind of like cinches your waist, and it also is like a really cool like fashion like addition to it. Lavender is just a trendy color. Everyone loves lavender obviously, and I just loved this. I had to pick it up. I got a small, which is why this is a little bit more tight and it like sucks me in, and I love it. Okay, let's continue. I'm gonna do my lucky number 4 or 8. Which number should I do? Pick one.
8.
8. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap. हुआ कुछ select? Okay. Cute. These are somewhere in the middle. These are like capri leggings. Okay. I mean, it is what it is. I'm just gonna add it to my cart and move on. Now, this was a different piece for me. I wore it and I actually do like it. It's more comfortable. Do I still prefer full leg leggings? Yes, but I'm open to the idea of buying these knee length pants as well. These two fit very well. There's a really nice thick waistband right here. and it's very stretchy, very comfortable. I think let's do number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. Hua could select. Okay, we have some track pants. This is nice. We have some variation. We have like a plum color ka track pant. These are actually really cute and they'll be really useful for me as well. I think I'm gonna get a small for this because they look a little bit baggy. Last activewear piece. These are track pants and the fabric of these track pants are amazing. It's like cotton. Very, very soft, very comfortable. Pockets hai, by the way, isme. And it's just a really good old-fashioned pair of track pants. On to the next category. I'm shopping from Zivame, and how can I not buy any bras? So I'm just gonna move on and buy like 4 or 5 pairs of bras. We'll see. Let's figure it out as we go. So, मैं personally bras में I tend to gravitate towards t-shirt bras, and I also tend to gravitate towards like neutral colors. Like I like black, I like nudes. So I'm hoping for something different because obviously that's the whole point of this video. So I'm gonna start scrolling now. I'm gonna go slow this time because back up, tap. Tap. One more tap. Did I get anything?
Yes.
Oh, this is fun. Very out of my comfort zone. We have a really fun blue. Is this a padded bra? Yes, it's a padded strapless bra, but it also comes with straps, which is a good thing. So definitely adding this to my cart. The first bra that I picked up, just so fun. I love it. They actually have a few different types yehi range mein, so I'm definitely gonna go and pick those up as well. But very, very out of the box for me. I usually like to stick to my neutrals, but I think I really like this. Now this has an underwire, so it's great if you want a push up, and also the straps are detachable, so you can remove them or you can throw them on, so you can wear this underneath like a regular top, or you can wear it under like something that I'm wearing right now, or a tube top. So very, very versatile. Okay, on to the next bra. One long scroll and tap. Tap once more. Hua? Ooh, I actually already own this bra and I love this bra, so I don't mind buying another one. So just gonna add it to my cart. We have this navy blue bra. If you guys want a beautiful cleavage, this bra is the way to go. Plus, this feels so silky and so soft on your skin. I feel like this is the softest bra that I own. I'm gonna do one last bra. Can you guess what it's gonna be? It's gonna be a t-shirt bra. For good luck, I have to do one t-shirt bra because I love t-shirt bras from Zivame. So let's do one quick last t-shirt bra. Okay, here we go. Let's do... give me one number. Quick.
6.
6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop.
Okay.
Cute. Okay, I don't own this color, so that's good. Just gonna add it to my cart, and it's actually so inexpensive, and I'm buying it right now. It's for 382 rupees, which is such a good deal. The last bra that I picked up is my favorite because it's very like in my comfort zone. It's a t-shirt bra. There's no wiring. Padding bhi hai. I would say it's like a medium padding, so very comfortable to wear on a day-to-day basis. Honestly, I could even sleep in these. Like I wouldn't be able to tell that I'm wearing a bra, and that's how I like my bras. And also it's a fun color, so it's a little bit different because as I mentioned, I would go for a black, white, nude. This is like a fun coral pink, so it's nice. Like it's a balance wherein I get to pick my favorite type of bra, but I get a different color. So it's perfect. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this very different challenge. Of course, everything that I've talked about will be linked in the description box below. And don't forget, the SOS Send Off Season Sale begins from the 14th of July. They have an up to 60% off free shipping, cash on delivery, easy 15-day exchange and return policy. And you can use my code MRUDULZIVAME to get an extra 10% off. I'm also going to be leaving the link of the app, the Zivame app, in the description box below. That's just gonna make your whole shopping process a lot easier. Of course, don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.